How to use Bet Builder feature on Bet365. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use Bet Builder feature on Bet365. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let's go it through. First things first, you want to head into Bet365 and there you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to make sure you have enough deposit to make the bet as well. Then, from the home page, you'll get this sports tab there on the screen. You want to choose which sports you want to make a bet on. Then go ahead and choose the match availables as well. So once you click on it, another page will pop up. Now here I'm having some connection issues, so it's taking some time to load up. But all you got to do is you want to select the Bet Builder tab. You'll get the Bet Builder tab right away there. So now here it's taking some time to load up, but all you got to do is select the game you wish bet on. Then you want to select the Bet Builder tab. You'll find it right on the screen once you've selected the particular match. Then select the Add Selection tab and select your chosen market. Then select an option from your chosen market. This will be added to the Bet Builder. So it's pretty simple and easy. You can repeat this process to combine up to 6 selections in total, and your odds will update automatically each time you add a new selection. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.